Good morning, all of you. So I've seen a lot of questions from last few days and few months. So which technology is better for getting jobs and all? Uh, a lot of freshers are asking me the questions like, "Sir, can I go for full stack, or can I go for mobile apps development, kind of iOS and Android?" Okay, and here also people are actually having a lot of confusions in even full stack also. Sir, for Java, or can I go for .NET? Or can I go for Python? Or some people are asking me, sir, which is better? Which is better as full stack developers? As full stack developers, which is better? As mobile app developer, and what is the better? And people are asking me questions like data science and AI also. Or is this good or bad for the jobs and all? See, the question between here. See, one is full stack and one is mobile apps. And one is DS and AI. DS and AI. Which is better for from these three things? Which is better? The major question is full stack is better, or mobile apps is better, or data science AI is better. Better means this is not a right question for us. And the major important thing is people have to first of all people have to understand about the front end part and back end part in the part of the web development. So they have to gain the knowledge first for the web development. Web development is the first important priority. People have to learn in the first stage. Stage one, this is better. So once you're done with your stage one, then you can go for the mobile app development also. The interface will change. The platform will change. Here you can Android or iOS, right? And just a platform got changed in the case of mobile apps. The user interface as usually change, but the system for the server side is actually common for the web development and mobile development both. Okay, so here this is the stage two. Yes, if he has the time or she has the time, they can go for mobile apps also. This is the stage two. So once they're done with the stage two, better they can move to the DS and AI. Why? Because of nowadays every application which was including with machine learning and deep learning algorithms. Okay, so data is very huge. On top of the data scientific approach is going to be adding, and a lot of algorithms are going to be adding, and a lot of models are going to be adding, and predictive analysis is going to be adding on top of the data. So that is why is that data science AI is top level on top of the data. See, basically, even for the web and mobile, UI is different. UI is different, and backend is common. Backend is common. Okay, common. Yeah, and even for the mobile app also, UI is different. Backend is common. The same kind of thing. I'm just trying to add. But in the data science AI, we are actually working on backend. This completely we are working on backend. Backend means we are working on data, working on data, working on data. So actually managing the data here, modeling data here, some kind of predictive analysis, some kind of machine learning techniques or deep learning techniques, and different kind of algorithms we are going to be attaching on top of the backend system. Can you see the YouTube application or Facebook application or Instagram application, Twitter application? We will be having a huge amount of the data is going to be generating in the backend systems. And for that data, for example, we want to give the recommendation system. For that, we have to give the different kind of algorithms. Okay, so that backend is mostly important, and nowadays even a small mobile application and small web application also working with the data science and artificial intelligence in the backend part. So that is the reason I recommend you guys this data science and AI working on data in the backend system. Yes, this is also maybe required, compulsory required, not maybe compulsory required. So this is in the kind of stage three. See, directly you don't jump for the stage three. First learn stage one. In the stage one, you are learning a web application development. In the stage two, you are developing a mobile application development, or you are learning mobile application development. In stage three, it may be a backend system working on data. The total duration for all these things, it will take 1 year. Yes, sir. At least for web, you are spending like 3 months duration, for example. For mobile, again, you are spending 3 months duration, for example. And for the data science and AI, okay. So I'm just roughly giving the things, even 3 months, for example, or 3 to 4 months, for example. Okay. So 3, 3, 6, 6, and 4, 10. Okay. So 10 months duration you have working on that. And after that, 1 or 2 months, work on projects, work on real-time projects. Okay, work on real-time projects and develop more and more things. You create a web application, you create a mobile application, and you try to implement data science and machine learning algorithms and artificial intelligence, face recognition kind of things, neural networks, KRAS. There are multiple kind of libraries which are going to be available there. You try to attach all these things for the web and mobile app what you developed it. It may be a e-commerce application, it may be a kind of social media application, it may be a kind of shopping cart application. You try to give some machine learning techniques, some deep learning techniques on top of the web and mobile. Yes, it will take a lot of time, but start immediately, work with the web application development. You get the job with the web immediately. So once you learn the part of the UI like React or Angular, and backend you can learn something like Node.js or Express.js. Okay, so you can get the job immediately. So after that, you can just try to work on mobile apps also. You can learn like a React Native. It may be a cross domain application. It will give the application for iOS and Android at both same time. And then after, you can just jump to the data science and AI. For data science and AI, you learn something like Python. This in the data science and AI, the most important famous language is Python. And there are a lot of libraries and frameworks which are available based on the Python, like Keras, TensorFlow, and scikit-learn, scikit-learn. Okay, so like this, Seaborn. Like this, there are multiple libraries which are going to be including the part of the data science and AI, data analytics, data science, and AI. So then you try to improve your skills based on that and try to implement the projects. See, the question you got to understand now. People are asking me questions like, which is better? People are asking, this is the major important question, sir, which is better? Full stack is better, or mobile apps is better, or data science AI? Sir, everything is interlinking. Everything is going to be interlinking. Full stack, based on the full stack web, based on the full stack web, mobile applications are going to be coming based on the full stack web and mobile. Oh, web and mobile is basically front end, and back end is also available. No? Data is also available. For that data, we need to implement a kind of a scientific approach, the kind of algorithms, the kind of intimations we have to give. So even data science AI is so very important on the backend system. So this is the way you have to understand. This is the way you have to learn the things. If you have any questions and queries, you can comment in the video. So just comment it and you can contact me. I am giving you a WhatsApp number also in the comment the description. You can just follow the description and you can contact me based on the requirement. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.